Last season, it's whatever, but it's just about being able to end it on a strong note, to be able to put my best foot forward. I've given my entire life to this game.
I'm excited for him. I'm not excited for the rest of us. We haven't seen the Odell Beckham Jr. that we saw with the New York Giants. We haven't seen the Odell Beckham Jr. that I knew we would see in that Super Bowl for the Los Angeles Rams had he not gotten injured.
You have to be kidding me. That is impossible. That is absolutely impossible what he just did. That may be the greatest catch I've ever seen in my life. Stepped out either. That may be the greatest catch I've ever seen.
We lying all the time. Was it just a game of you? But I'm in so